Have a gravely zt2352. Not getting gas to carb. Replaced filter and pump, no dice. Checked all lines to and fro pump, blew out lines to tanks, no dice. Tried priming/filling gas lines, motor would start, burn off gas and lines then quit. Just not pulling any gas from tanks.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines, let me try to help you. What engine? What kind of fuel pump? Pulse, electric, engine mounted? I assume a pulse fuel pump. Is the P line open to the crankcase and do you feel pressure on the line if you hold finger over it? It uses the pulses from the piston to work diaphragm in the fuel pump. The hose can be leaking, or too soft, or plugged so the signal does not get to the diaphragm. All fuel lines back to the tank from the pump have to be vacuum tight. Any leak and no fuel will be pump slash. I will check back in the AM. Thank you. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. Scroll up to view response, please do not rate until satisfied.
Solid plastic 3-port pump, pulse. So I should disconnect pulse line at pump, crank motor and see if I feel pressure. I have made sure all clamps are tight best as can.
Yes, that is pulse pump. P is for the pulse line, not pressure. The other two are for fuel. For test, attach test hose to the fuel pump suction port and put into a separate fuel container, or back into the filler opening, eliminating the fuel suction system on the unit. Then see if it will pump.
Found problem, fuel pickup lines inside tanks rotted and broke off. I had stopped using one tank some time ago, thinking there was dirt in tank. Then suddenly other tank did same thing. Thank you for your advice though. John.
Good job. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit justanswer.com/ythi.